Then dip me underway. You can feel my foot flow.
So cute for the summer.
I'll scream for air to breathe and wash me over.
You know how much that costs to do something like this and look how it look nice.
Now your sins all over me, baby, baby.
I better find your love.
Guys, welcome, what's up, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So this vlog, I'm excited. I don't know if I can see the excitement, but I am very excited because I want to catch this light, because my anniversary is on Tuesday. Remember it was fun? 2 years of marriage, anniversary, a 2 year already. Time is moving very fast. Okay, 2 years since we got married. What is it? Time? What's going on with time? But the excitement is because I get to change my wedding ring. That's the agreement we came up on for this anniversary. Last year we had the dinner. This year I get to change my wedding ring because it was a budget-friendly purchase. Nothing expensive, nothing out of the, but we came to the decision that I'm gonna change my wedding ring, and I am excited about that. So if it dry as so. I'm excited about that. Okay, are we gonna wait on this line? Are we? I don't think so. No, we're already late on time to look on the road. How are we going this line? I wanted to use the credit union ATM, but it's one ATM, and I'm not gonna wait on that. Let's go down this way. Yeah. No, I'm always there when I do things. When I'm always up on the road, that's when you guys see me out, right? But that's how it go. That's the type of content I offer when I am always on the road when I go to something. I don't like to leave you guys content when I'm not doing anything. Like, really, that for me sucks. However, as I was saying, so my ring that we got for our wedding, it was a budget-friendly purchase. Our wedding was an entire budget-friendly wedding. So a lot of things we cut back on, and some of the things we just got something that could have served the same purpose at the time. So we're actually going, well, why am I like we? It's me alone in here. Baby's like, Cash, go look for what you want. When you go look for your want, just to make sure it's within our budget, and come tell me the price. That's what he said. So he said look for what you want, so I'm gonna look for what I want. So I wanted to go to the mall as one of the options to get just get different designs and styles. But I'm also gonna go in Walmart, because Walmart, I see that they have a section that they sell like ring actually have real gold and whatever. So I'm not really sure, but I'm just going to go look and see what is there. And let me tell you people, if you want to get married, do not hold back on it because you say, oh, you don't have the money and you can't buy this expensive ring. And look here, me, the type of person that I was before, I would not believe that. So some of the things that I do now, that I would actually do them. Like, when I was growing up, I thought I would have been like one of those people that just flashy but I tell a lie. I thought I was one of those people because growing up, my parents gave me everything I want. I never shot at nothing. I always have everything. So, but you know, life humble you a lot. When you grow older and certain things, other things humble you. And for me, my ring work. It works, but I told babe, I said, listen, I do not like wearing it now because the studs inside of it are falling out. They're falling out, so it gives it a dark look, like looks, you know, empty, and I don't like it. It's not glowing anymore. So I told him, I said, that's what, if we don't do anything else for it, that's what I want. His ring is fine. He got a decent ring, so he's okay. So that's one thing. That's what's up. Also, I actually want to go start a little mini shopping for my trip that's coming up. I'm so excited. Yes, I'm officially telling you now, so I am going on a trip. Where am I going? You know, just stay tuned to find out where I'm going. So I'm gonna do a mini shopping. No, I have not. I was just gonna take the suitcase out of the house, but I'm like, let me see if I find something first before I go return the one there. Which anyway, I take it, the one there is still a little bit too big. So I still have to get one. Regardless, I still would have to get one. So I don't know, but let's see. I came to this. I was thinking in my head like, probably we can just keep the one there too, because we don't have a size that's like that anymore. So I don't know. But we're going to ponder with it. I don't have a lot of time out on the road. It's actually after 4. What I was doing, why am I up on the road so late and it's the weekend? I was trying to get my hair I was neat up back my hair. I was redoing my hair. So I actually, the rubber bands before they burst. So I actually had to literally pull it out. But I did a different method this time. I feed in the hair with the crochet needle. Before I did the open hair method where you put the ear in the middle and then wrap the rubber band. So I tried the feeding ear method just because I can't, but I forgot about that babe to come because he might have to feed in the ear for me. You don't have to put in the ear in the middle, the first one. So I just did it on my own. I did like about half of the hair. I did the front portion, I can't say the front look neat, and a few of the ones in the back that were showing that were pretty awful, pretty awful. So I did those, and I'm actually happy that I'm redoing it because the first time that I did it, I did realize that all the ear was not going in the same pattern, but I just didn't know what was happening really. And then it's happening that when you start research things on your phone, no matter if you research on YouTube, it's like your phone have this thing make up where you go on Instagram and everything where you research on YouTube come up on Instagram, vice versa. So I saw a video come up and the girl was actually showing how to do it, how to get the pattern, and like me, Tash, we're gonna do this again. We are going to do it again because I was even saying to myself that probably for the summer I can do like some cornrow and then do a style, because I'm always experiment. I'm open to experiment. So I'm myself, because we not pay for do them a hairstyler. How much that cost to do something like this and look how it look nice. So I'm happy for me redo it, like, honestly. So people, yeah. So that's what's going on. They're clearing a lot of land. We're pretty much sure houses they're going to put over them the land. There are something they're going to put over there. But we know they're not just clear land for nothing at all. So they're clearing that land. Yeah. So that is what's up. I think my first stop though is going to be Walmart. I'm gonna do Walmart. I wanted to go to the mall, but see me still could go to the mall because I leave my coupon. But what I want to purchase, I can purchase it online. Ladies, trust me, I do not regret spending some big money from bra from Victoria's Secret. All of my life, I feel like I never that wear good brassiere. This is the ladies section. I'm not telling a lie. All of my life, I did not feel like I was wearing good bra until I went to the, and I wasn't, you know what a lot of ladies struggle with too? Us as ladies, we struggle with our size, knowing our actual size for our bra. Talk the truth in the comment section. A lot of us struggle with knowing our actual size. See, one of the main thing I made a promise to myself that any jing bang brassiere when I have, me go throw them out and get new bra. And that's exactly what I did when I came here. I went to Victoria's Secret, got my measurements, and did a trial of, they recommended a size to me the first time I went there, and the size of fit well, and I didn't think I got through the first time until I go and meet up with one other person and them give me the size, and I'm comfortable. Like, I'm so comfortable in wearing my bra. My bra sit down for me good, the material of it all along. I don't like wear brassiere, and for me a big breast. As me say, a woman section, men don't come judging, but a lot of women do go through this. So, yeah. But what I'm gonna do, I was gonna go to the mall. To just have the in-store shopping experience to get the bra. But I forgot my coupons. I got 2 coupons that on a $50 purchase, I think I saved $30 or $20. One of the above. But I forgot the coupon, so we're probably just gonna do that as a online purchase. That's what we're probably going to do. An online purchase. That's what we're probably going to do. Yeah. So I want to go to this section right here. Alright guys, so I made it to Walmart. Lazy girl parking face and Sego. I made it to Walmart, so let's go see what the options they have for the rings, and I'll keep you guys posted. So alright, so I made it, and I am seeing a variety of different options. So this one is genuine diamond. Is it that? Alright. I don't understand what it says with the 1 out of 10. I don't know what that part all about. That's 198. This one is genuine diamond, $298. I don't know if that's even the price. I look a little bit for the one there, $68. I think that right. I don't know. I'm gonna have to ask somebody though. And then come over here. You have one for $198, one for $198. You have some for $498. This is nice. This one for $398 is very nice. That's the option. This here for $398 is nice too. Look at that one up there for $598. The budget they kind of high. These are 100 and something. My husband wears gold. Is it okay to mix the gold and the silver? I don't know. That's a $298. Is it okay to mix the gold and the silver? So these are lab grown diamond. What that mean? Alright guys, I'm gonna take a moment and look on them and then get back to them. Oh, they have more options over here too. They have more options. Oh, these are like the combo man and woman. Oh, so these are like the combo for the men and the women. Yeah, I'm gonna take a time and look through and see what I want, take some pictures, and then we're gonna know when we decide on these over here with the hearts. Let me decide and come back. Alright guys, so Walmart has some other suitcases. This is $68. The one that I got, it was $30. This is not bad. This is so cute. This is nice. See, this nice bad. Nice. But I'm going to go to Ross to see if Ross have any cheaper option. If not, we're gonna bring back the other one and grab one of these cute ones. This is so cute. I'm gonna look if they have any other option. I'm gonna sit down. These are bigger ones, but the carry-on I actually want. So they're $68 for the style. I'm gonna see the other one, the one that they had on sale. The section that does finish it same, cause yeah. So if anything, I'm only have these. Let me see if they have more on there. Oh, they do. Oh, this is the one that I bought. This style. They had it on sale for $30. Actually, $44 for it. Okay, not bad. So $44, and then they have. If they make the right decision from the time mode of your wonder. And then they have these nice travel bags for $40. This is nice, can be a personal bag, because I do need one. But we're gonna go to Ross. I saw Steve had one in Burlington. I think it was $40 too, and it looked big. But this just looked nice. The one here nice. So yeah. Anyways, gonna head out right now. It wasn't my plan to get a scale, but I went and saw a scale. The scale is $9, so I do need a scale. So I'm grabbing this scale because $9, that's not bad. That's actually very cheap. So hopefully it's a good quality on the one, not gonna break. But they did had some with the same brand that was more pricey. But as I said, it wasn't my plan, but I do actually need a scale to track my weight at this time because I'm not doing much exercise. So yeah. I did saw a ring that I like, or a few. So I'm going to brush up baby. And from there we made a decision from there. Yeah, alright, we'll go Burlington Ross. Yeah, right now the scale, about the scale. So what we're going to do is quick errands right now. Burlington and Ross. Look for the suitcase, what they have. And so forth, so yeah. This is so cute for the summer. So cute. Feels very light though, but it's so cute. I'm grabbing onto it. Not sure if I'm gonna keep it, but it's a something else figure slippers. I'm actually looking sneakers. I'm in Rush if I did the same. This bag is a US Polo bag for $15. Wanna think what you all think. And I'm just grabbing, and then at the end I'll take out a few stuff, but it's nice. The luggage is over here hitting the prices too. In Ross, the prices are a bit pricey, so I think it's cheaper in Walmart. I'm not sure how much is this Nautica one. Let's see, $50. It's pretty pricey. I don't like these type of suitcases anymore. I don't know. And a $60 for a Tommy Hilfiger. No, so I might get one from the Walmart. Just return the one that's there and then pay the extra to get it. This mirror is definitely the mirror that I want, but this mirror can't hold in my car. This mirror is so big and space opening for the living room, but this can't hold in my car. It can't. It's gonna be too long. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be too long. How would I transport this mirror? It's $65. I keep seeing them for $70. I'm gonna grab the mirror here, but I'm gonna carry it. I don't know. Guys, look at this blazer. This blazer is busting, and then there's this green one I'm gonna show you. Guys, in Burlington, this bag is so cute. The Steve Madder bag. How much did that come from? 27? The job got $20. I wonder why. Why job got $20? What wrong with it? What wrong with it? If you look on it good, what wrong with it? If you look good, no kind of do it. It's cute. Cute. Okay, so I went out and I did a little few errands. Ross, Burlington. I mean, those are kind of my stores that I get decor clothing. But this is gonna be a clothing haul. So I have quite a amount of stuff. The bag then kinda huge. So we're gonna start off with this piece, this first piece right here. I got this piece in Ross. I don't remember the price, the tag is on it, but I was thinking like more for this season, the winter season, and you know spring is coming up close. I was thinking that I could wear it with like long white sleeves because it's, you know, it's a vest type of style, and then rock it with that because, you know, we have to have the ants covered, and then rock it as that style. I like it. At first I thought it was Guess because, you know, this kind of sign logo is a Guess logo, but I can wear it with this part open or I can close it. I could rock it with a jeans like what I have on right now, like this jeans right here, and I think it's nice, simple, and you know, I saw it and I didn't know how buffed or how, what you call it, padded the sleeves were, but for me it's fine. I like it, and if I don't choose to wear it now, I could wear it in the summertime because it's giving a nice summer vibe too. So yeah, so I opted for this because I do not have a lot of what you call it, hoodie you call it, sweater, hoodie, whichever. I don't have a lot of these. So when I saw this for $9, I was like, okay, I'm definitely gonna grab this. And would you believe that this is a size small? So you know that this is supposed to be an oversized type of thing, but this is a small. And when I saw it, I know that the small would have fit. And spring I come up, I don't have anything. So I just opted for this too as well. I mean, if I don't wear it even this winter or this spring season, I can wear it next time, but I think I'm going to wear it. So yeah, I got this this is more like a sweater zipper type. It has the hood on it too. It's the green. This one was $9 too. This is basic, so I won't try this one. This was $10. $9.99, $10. I don't know what the 99 upon it for. Yeah. I mean, because you know they use cents over here, not like in Jamaica where they have the cents on some of the prices, and they actually don't really have cents in money. It's only utilized when you're using a card, and if you should get a change, you don't get back cents in Jamaica. So this is the green. But this one is a zipper style, so I won't try this piece. Because it's so simple. This is like a white. This is a set of $7.99. Gosh, is this a set of two? Let me see this. Oh no, hold on. Oh, so this is just the basic white top. It's a large. This was $7.99 in Ross. So I don't have a lot of white tops, and I do like whenever I'm wearing my stuff and I have like a white top, you know, it kind of give you a nice look with gold jewelry and stuff for it. So I opted to get this. It's not so thick, so this is more like a spring weather type of thing. So this one, I'm actually going to put on that top, the white one, because I won't mess it up because I don't have on fresh like deodorant that's gonna mess it up or so. Alright, I got these two pieces. It's a white and a gray for, this was $6. Where the price there? Where is the price tag? I guess it got ripped off when they took off the thing. I don't know, but these were six something. If it's $6.99 something, oh, where's the price? This is the tag, but I don't see the Ross tag. So I got two sets. I got the one with the gray and the blue, and the one with the black and the white. I opted for the white one too, as I said, because I like to have white in my collection. I have a drawer that's only white stuff, but I don't have enough of the style of basic white. You know, they probably have white nurse on it. So this is how it looks, and they were about the same prices in Ross. A basic piece right here, but this is a pin under. This one is $6.99. This is a pin under. So this is a pin under. This is nice. A nice piece. I don't have to try it because I don't know, pin under basic. What I'm gonna try and show you guys though is gonna be this. I don't have on the right color bra to wear with this for going out purposes. I know I'm on the internet, but you know, I still have on a good bra here. I didn't put out the black one. I didn't remember exactly what was going on or what I was gonna do, but I got these two. I got these two nice. Hey, I couldn't leave them. The colors are so nice. Listen, I need people to be inviting me out for the summer. Like, we need to be going out on brunch dates. We need to be going out for dinner dates. And if you're not inviting me and my man, we go to. I mean, him always go to. So why not? This white piece, I don't think, which one don't have the button? Oh, this one has the button. This is fire. I don't know what you think, but I think it look good. I'm talking truth. Tell the truth. This looks so good. This looks so good. The color is so nice. I love it. Like, this is a nice brunch style for the summer. Like, you're a girl going out and your boyfriend going out, and you could wear this like some nice shorts, a jean shorts, a denim shorts, any shorts you want that you think fits, and probably some heels if you're a heels girly. You put on your lace up heels and so forth. The color here, the green here, bad. I think this is gonna wake up my classic. And my classic been dead since I come here. This give it some life. This color, I'm talking truth. Talking truth. But this look. This will look good. This nice. Purple, right? Is this purple or pink? I don't know. I'll have to look at the receipt and see what color it's called. But I don't know. What shade is this, people? This is this color. You see, with some nice gold earrings. Like these gold earrings that I bought from Shein. They were just a few cents. 50 something cents. 50 something cents. Earrings. But these are nice. These are nice. So this one, all right, don't mind my brown thing at the back, but this one, guys, this color, I would wear this with a denim pants. Like this one, the only thing, it doesn't have a button. It doesn't have a button, but it's still nice. It's still sexy. The earrings, them give it life. Like, look at the earrings with it. The earrings give it life. Like, with the gold and your knife, if you want to do layered jewelry and whatever, girl, that would be busting. And this too, you could rock these with some sneakers. Like, I'm feeling like, you know, sneakers that match. And guess what? I got this bag in. I bought this Steve Madden bag in Burlington. I think I showed you guys further on in the vlog, like previous part of the vlog that you'd have seen, it was $27.99 Steve Madden, and it went on sale for $20.99. Listen, before I purchased it, I searched. I said, why didn't put it on discount just because you have a rip or something? It didn't have anything. Listen, this bag, so cute. Bag, so cute. Just look at this. You know, you would take off this part of it, right? You take off this part of the bag, the crossbody part, and you rock it with like this. You know you don't want this. This is fire. This look good. This looks good. This looks really good. Really, really good. Really, really good. Really good. And with the braids, it look good. Don't talk it truth. It look good. It look good. So I got this for only $20.99. Ross too as well. Oh no, Ross and Burlington is where you can go and get the discounted stuff. Not too much of designer stuff in there, like what you call designer, what you call high class fashion. Like for me, I know what a lot of you guys out there these days call designer, and I guess my style is different from everybody as well. I still rock Stephen Madden, I still rock my Tommy Hilfiger, I still rock my Guess. What I can afford, those are my style and I love them. Alright, so this polo bag though, this would be like a designer. This is just, you know, have a little value on it. Crossbody bag, nice and soft, you know, for the summer that's coming up, for the spring, the summer, you know, you have these bags. That is why I'm kind of built up my collection too, with bags. This Puma sneakers yesterday in Burlington. I got these. They're so cute. I love them. I got these. And guess what? They match. Nice. I didn't even realize because I went to Burlington after and I didn't remember this bag. They match nice with the sneakers. So I can always dress up those, and that's that. Anyways, guys, this is where I'm going to end today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This week, I don't know. This week, I can't wait for it to run off, because after this week, then next week is gonna be the start of spring break, and I'm excited for that. I need to actually go replace the suitcase. Wanna see what I've been talking about, to get the suitcase that I want, so I can start packing my stuff for my trip. So yeah, if you're new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned to my vlogs to come to see what's gonna happen, and you know, we're still building this channel. So I love and I appreciate you guys. Until then, it's your girl Tash, aka Dominique, and I'll catch you guys in another vlog. Bye.
Till you reach my feet.